You see them everywhere, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Shorts. AI influencers. These AI influencers are posting every single day and they're absolutely crushing it. Many of them earning $10, $20, $100,000 a month on a global campaign, and they are succeeding where many are failing. How do they do it? Consistency. Social media rewards the people who show up every day, and AI influencers, they don't get tired, they don't procrastinate, they don't say, I'll just post tomorrow. They just show up, and that's why they're growing at a speed we've never seen before, and why they're only going to get bigger. That is an amazing thing to have. AI influencers working for you, selling, advertising, and building attention, just looking awesome. Welcome to my channel. My name is Yuna. I help entrepreneurs run their business using AI tools and workflow automation. Today, I'm going to show you this powerful tool that lets you create your own AI influencer videos and post them wherever you want, without filming and without wasting time. Let's be real for a second. Recording videos the traditional way is exhausting. You buy an expensive camera, set up lights, check framing, record, mess up, re-record, edit, hate it, edit again. And by the time you finally post one video, a week is already gone. Meanwhile, every platform is like, okay, so where's your next video? So how is anyone supposed to grow a following on a schedule like that, let alone have an actual life? Honestly, it's way harder than it needs to be. But right now, one single photo can turn into full cinematic videos that can be uploaded as your vlog or story.
And I don't mean one of those obvious AI-looking videos. I mean video quality so good, people ask what camera you used.
I know, I didn't believe it either. So I tried to break it. I tested over 30 tools, burned through credits like they were Monopoly money, and most of them fell apart the moment I asked for consistency. Different face, different vibe, not at all usable. Then I stumbled into the system on OpenArt, almost by accident, and I'm glad I did, removed so much frustration. And it completely changed how I think about content. One photo, that's it. Like I said, it's an amazing tool to have. No studio, no filming days, no, I don't feel like recording today. Before we even touch the how, here's why this matters. If you follow this system, you can create videos without filming, build a recognizable face. Your followers get attached to stay insanely consistent and grow an audience that feels like they know you, even if you never turn on a camera. That's the cheat code most creators miss. Consistency counts.
AI just removed the hardest part to be consistent.
All right, let me show you how this actually works. Everything starts inside OpenArt. Quick credibility check. I didn't land here because it was shiny and it was the new big thing. I landed here because too many photo uploads, training, and getting results that are not quite good enough is just plainly annoying. OpenArt fixes that by having a single image character workflow that skips all of that. You upload one clean photo, make sure it has good lighting, shows the face clearly, basically just follow the recommendations. To upload a photo, go to the left side and click character. Then select Start with Image. If you don't have a photo to begin with, you will select the Start with Description option. Once your upload completes, click on Build My Character. Training takes about 5 minutes. That's it. Name the character. Sounds silly, but it helps the AI lock onto your character's identity. Since we're creating videos, the next step is to create scenes. Scenes are primarily used within their story and video workflows to manage narrative progression and ensure visual consistency across a project. To create scenes, go to the left-hand side again and select Image, or just click on your character's image to start creating. Let's create some sample scenes for our characters. Let's try a beach scene, a night out with friends. Let's try a day in the life coffee house scene and a walk in the park. Keep in mind, I did not write the prompts. I literally asked AI to write them. Remember the rule around here. If it can be automated, it should be. That's how you get your time back. We can also use a description I wrote, see if it works. You can try out different models to see which one you really like. Personally, I think Nano Banana Pro gives the best quality. The results are in. Same face, same vibe, different worlds. Now we have multiple images or scenes that we can use to craft our videos. Now let's work on the video. Different models used but still having a consistent face. Select the images and download so we can send it to ChatGPT or Claude for our cinematic motion prompt. Once we have the prompt, we can go back to OpenArt and select the image we want to work on. Here we have the option to select the AI model we want to use. Also have the option for duration, either 5 or 10 seconds, as well as audio on or off, should we want our character to speak. To customize our character's voice, we can upload a 5 to 30-second recording of the voice in the style that we want. Toggle audio and select the voice you want to use. Now we've done all the selections, click Create. We don't even have to put in a prompt. Just drop in your image, select your AI model, and click Create. I'll do the same steps for the other images. Looks great, doesn't it? Personally, I think currently, Nano Banana Pro gives the best quality. There's just so much more detail with Nano Banana Pro, like the sweat on the character's face, wind in her hair, waves crashing, and most importantly, her face is consistent with our character. And on the coffee scene, I used Kling01. Awesome. This almost looks like a scene from a vlog. Here on my last video, I left the audio on just to see what it would give me. Pretty cool, right? So we now have 5 videos from just one image. Honestly, they look like they came from a vlog footage. The video that was generated by Nano Banana Pro is so detailed. Everything from the background, the crowd, and especially our character, again with the sweat on her face and hair, truly realistic. Natural blinking, subtle movement, the kind of footage that makes people stop scrolling and think, wait, how was this filmed? These videos work for product sales, real estate walkthroughs, and even ASMR-style content on YouTube.
Hey everyone, welcome to a one-of-a-kind luxury residence. So, timeless design, premium finishes, and a rare opportunity.
Now let's talk Instagram or other social media platforms, because this is where this workflow quietly wins. They doesn't reward effort. Social media rewards consistency, familiar faces, repeatable formats. When you use an AI avatar like this, your followers see you every day. Your style stays locked in. Your content cadence goes way up, which leads to more trust, higher retention, faster follower growth. And the wild part? You can batch weeks of content in one sitting, have them pre-made, then go on vacation. But the real upgrade is story mode. Story mode lets you generate full day in the life videos, not clips, actual mini narratives. You can do music videos, explainer videos, character vlogs, and ASMR videos. Perfect for reels, perfect for shorts, perfect for content that just feels real. Let's zoom out for a second. I started with one photo, one platform, 0 filming. Now I have daily content, cinematic videos on demand, a digital version of, quote unquote, me that never gets tired. This isn't about replacing creators, mind you. It's about removing the parts of creation that stop people from showing up. If you've ever thought, I know what to post, I just don't want to record today, this fixes that. I really hope this video was helpful, and more importantly, that you actually use it. That's the whole point of this channel, helping business owners and solopreneurs find smarter, automated ways to work. And, just curious, what would you make if you didn't have to film anymore? Drop it in the comments. I read those. This is one of those do it now moments. Before you forget, future you will thank you for it.